Wait until you see what Cupra has been cooking up. It's an electric SUV that's about to redefine the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Cupra Tavascan, and trust me, this is one EV you absolutely need to have on your radar. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll notice the radical design. Cupra has thrown out the rulebook and crafted something truly unique. We're talking sharp lines, aggressive angles, and a sporty coupe-like silhouette that screams performance. The interior is just as impressive, boasting a minimalist yet luxurious feel with sustainable materials and a tech-forward layout. Imagine yourself sinking into those sculpted seats, gripping the leather-wrapped steering wheel and feeling the instant torque as you accelerate. The Tavascan is not just about looks, though. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, including a massive central touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance systems that will keep you safe and connected on every journey. This car is a statement, a bold declaration that electric vehicles can be both stylish and exhilarating. What do you think of the exterior looks of this car? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the stuff that really matters: performance and practicality. The 2026 Cupra Tavascan is expected to offer a range of powertrain options, including single-motor and dual-motor configurations. The top-spec model is rumored to deliver over 300 horsepower and offer all-wheel drive, allowing you to conquer any road with confidence. More importantly, the Tavascan boasts a substantial battery pack that should provide a competitive driving range, eliminating range anxiety on those longer trips. It's not just about raw power and range. The Tavascan is also designed to be a practical and versatile SUV. It offers ample passenger space, a generous cargo area, and a host of features that will make your daily life easier. Think about loading up the family for a weekend adventure, or effortlessly navigating the city streets with ease. The Tavascan seamlessly blends performance, practicality, and style into one compelling package. And I gotta say, with the price point Cupra is aiming for, this could really shake up the EV market. What do you think the range will be? Tell me. Finally, let's consider the bigger picture. The 2026 Cupra Tavascan represents a significant step forward in the electric vehicle revolution. It demonstrates that EVs can be desirable, exciting, and accessible to a wider audience. Cupra is not just building cars. They are building a brand that embodies passion, innovation, and sustainability. The Tavascan is a symbol of this vision, a testament to the power of electric mobility to transform our world. This SUV is more than just transportation. It's an investment in our future. With its striking design, impressive performance, and commitment to sustainability, the Tavascan has the potential to disrupt the EV market and inspire other manufacturers to follow suit. So, are you ready to embrace the electric revolution? The Cupra Tavascan might just be the perfect way to do it. Now is the time to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best, and may you achieve all you want.